The Vivo X200s is an upcoming flagship smartphone from Vivo, slated for release in April 2025. It is expected to feature a 6.67-inch 1.5K LTPS AMOLED display with ultra-narrow bezels, delivering an immersive viewing experience. Powering the device will be MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset, an enhanced version of the Dimensity 9400, promising superior performance with its octa-core architecture and a primary core clocked at 3.7 GHz. The handset is anticipated to house a robust battery exceeding 6,000 mAh, supporting 90W wired and 50W wireless charging, ensuring prolonged usage with rapid recharge capabilities. Photography enthusiasts can look forward to a Zeiss-branded triple-camera setup, comprising three 50-megapixel sensors, including a periscope telephoto lens offering 3x optical zoom and macro capabilities. Design-wise, the Vivo X200s will sport a flat-edged metallic frame and is expected to be available in colors such as lavender and mint blue. Additional features include an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor and a dynamic island-like notification feature at the top of the display. This combination of advanced specifications and innovative design positions the Vivo X200s as a compelling choice in the premium smartphone market.